Hi, happy Thursday. Welcome back to Chats with Chase, and here's your next tip.
Something I see people doing with appearances quite often is using them to show what needs to be masked off during the painting or powder coating process. It's something simple, easy to see, and effective. However, there are a few common mistakes that come up with it, mostly having to do with the appearance application hierarchy. Today, I'm going to try and explain how that works through example. Here, I have an assembly that looks like it's 4 parts, but it's actually just 2 of the exact same multi-body part. If I click on one over here, one whole part will highlight. Now if I open up this appearance task pane, I'll pin it open since we'll be using it a bit, we can go find the high gloss plastics, which I'll use for this example. When you drag an appearance over to a part and drop it, this little window will show up giving you the option on how to apply it. You can apply these to either the face it was dropped on, the feature it was dropped on, the body, the part, or just that part in the assembly. Notice that the other options applied to both parts. This last one only applies to the first part. That order is also the general rule for hierarchy from top down. Faces will take effect over the feature, then body, and then part. You can see how since I colored this face and the square base, this option to color the whole part isn't changing. That effect sort of waterfalls down too, with the next option not having any effect on the previous. The exception, at least in this pop-up, is the last one that applies the change to the whole part, but only the one. This has the same effect as dropping the appearance onto the part in the feature tree. The part in the tree will overwrite the others, and applying an appearance to the top level of the assembly will overwrite any previously applied appearances. It will also prevent future appearances from having any effect as they rank lower in the hierarchy, as you can see when I try to apply this red color. It doesn't matter which order you apply them in, it just matters where or how you apply them.
Thanks for watching. Contact us if you have any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.